The data in a bar graph can be displayed with more than one text column on the breakdown. So here, for example, if I take region, I can drag that to columns in the breakdown section, and we now get the data split up by the 3 regions that exist in the data. Alternatively, I could put region on rows, and I'd get this view. I get the same horizontal bar graph repeated 3 times for 3 different industries, which is occupying a lot of space on screen. A better option might actually be to remove region from the rows and instead put it on items and change the order so that region comes before industry. And at this point I can do something useful. Go to the main settings of the visualization and change bar mode from standard to stacked, which gives me a section of a stacked bar for each of the 3 industries. And suddenly I can include the same information in a much more compact space. Let's also adjust the bar width ratio to something like 80%.